Well, this showed up on my front porch this afternoon. This is a eBay Turbo, and it's made in China. It was listed as a T78. It says it was a 78, 75 cast, but it's supposed to have a billet wheel in it. So I'm assuming it's a journal bearing turbo with supposedly it's got a cast wheel on it. So hadn't opened it yet. Hadn't seen a whole lot on these, so I'm hoping that it'll work for me. I'm just getting, this will be my first. I've had a couple factory turbo cars, but I've never had a one that I have installed myself. So we got us a couple gaskets. It looks like some type of sheet. And this looks like it's going to be in that plastic bag there. And here she is. So, looks pretty good in there. So the cold side's a 0.75, and then the hot side is, I think it was a 9.96. Yep. So turbine looks pretty good. I don't know if this is really what the best for my application or not. It'll be going on a small block Ford in an 87 Mustang. So right or wrong, this is what I'm gonna give it a try. I was gonna get one of the GT45s that everybody uses, but they also say they're pretty big, and there's a lot of stuff I don't really want to have to move around, so I wanted to get this because it should be a little bit smaller and hopefully a little bit lighter. And as long as it makes boost, I'll be happy. But of course, I want to go fast too. So anyway, it'll be probably a while before I get to installing this, but I wanted to go ahead and put it on the shelf so I can have something to look forward to. If you know anything about these or ever used one, leave me a comment below, and I'd like to hear what your experiences are for them. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. So after I was looking at the video I did yesterday, I wanted to include just a little bit more. So I'm going to do some rough measurements on this for maybe help somebody out. The inlet is 4 inches, about, give or take. So you can see it's just over, I think that's got a little lip there. So the outlet is 3 inches. Inside Let's do that in millimeters. Alright. And then, as far as getting the inside, my calipers won't reach down there, and I'm not going to take it apart. It's about 75, I guess. I don't know. I'm probably measuring it in the wrong spot. But one of the things that I always wanted to know was the outside dimensions. So I figured I'd give that to you. It's about 9 1/4 tall from the compressor housing to the exhaust housing. So, and then as far as the this way goes, it's about 7 inches across. If you're looking at the this way is about 11. So for the turbine housing, it's right at 3 inches on the inside, and about 3. So there you go. And turbine wheel again. The T4 flange should be standard. Put that for you. Hmm, 32. And then the exhaust housing is a little bit smaller, so you see there. Hope this helps out. If you got any, I don't know if I'm going to take it apart right now, but anything on the outside you want me to measure, let me know. Take care. Have a nice day.